Okay, we're going to blow out this vacuum cleaner, but you need to have a mask and some glasses. You don't want anything to blow in your eyes. There's a couple of, you have the one inside the canister, that one there, that's the pre-filter. Then you have this one that's under the canister. And then you've got this one. You can see how much dust is on these things. So these all three need to be blown out. This protects the vacuum motor. You can see how much crap is on there. Thin one goes in first. It says right here. It says right here, put in first. And this one. And your canister. And you're ready for a new vacuum job. And that's all there is to it. I mean, it's pretty nasty, but it's got to be done. Or just order you some new ones. Just take those out, throw them away, and get some new ones in there. Okay. Now the last one you've got is this one, the filter that filters whatever stuff's in the air and protects the motor. So you get that out. If you've got a dime or screwdriver is about the easiest thing to get it out with. Pick that up, get that off. Pop that off. Same thing, go out there and blow it out. Filter goes in first. And then your cover. And that's it. And this is where I get mine. I get mine from eBay. But this is what they look like. This has got 2 sets, so this will last you quite a while. So, anyway, I wish you luck.